you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Renegade Limited in Slate Blue Pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with supplemental signal, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6618.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.